The Agilent Infiniivision 7000 series oscilloscopes are engineered to give you the world's best signal visibility in 100 megahertz, 350 megahertz, 500 megahertz, and 1 gigahertz scopes. It all starts on the outside. With the 12.1-inch display, you get about 40% more viewing area than competitive scopes. Yet, your valuable bench space is still preserved with a 6.5-inch deep footprint. On the inside, the engineering moves up a notch with Agilent's patented single IC technology that delivers 100,000 waveforms per second to the screen with 8 megapoints of memory always optimized. You get the critical signal detail you need on every acquisition. In this complex amplitude-modulated signal, you can clearly see the anomalies showing every other cycle. Note the scope's responsiveness as we zoom in to take a closer look. In this example, we're showing an infrequent glitch. With update rates 5,000 times or more faster than competitive scopes, you'll see infrequent events on the Agilent 7000 series that competitive products miss. Here, we enable digital channels to view the input and output of a digital to analog converter. Agilent's Infiniivision architecture maintains full analog performance and responsiveness. Lacking this key technology, other scopes force trade-offs between analog signal representation and digital channel data. The only scope in the industry to perform hardware-accelerated serial bus decode, Agilent's Infiniivision series delivers serial debug without compromising analog measurements. Agilent's Infiniivision architecture makes our mask test software the most powerful in the industry. Delivering up to 100,000 real-time pass-fail tests per second means statistically valid testing to 6 Sigma standards can be accomplished in seconds. A number of other available innovative time-saving applications include FPGA debug, segmented memory, power measurements, vector signal analysis, and offline signal viewing and analysis. With Agilent's Infiniivision oscilloscopes, you'll see a display more representative of the actual signals under test and get uncompromised performance when acquiring any combination of analog, digital, or serial signals. Choose the Agilent Infiniivision 7000 series oscilloscopes, engineered for the world's best signal visibility.